Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 12635 North Trail Lane in Melba. This property is located on 2.84 acres, has great mountain views. This house was built in 2000 and remodeled back in May of 2020. Vinyl siding, and it's almost 360 degree views. You've got the river straight ahead in that direction, and your private driveway here. You've got these kind of fun outbuildings over here. Probably need a little work. Very cute. Plenty of room for RV, boat parking, any parking you want. There's no CCRS here, so do whatever you want. Kind of a jailhouse here, I imagine. Little playroom area. You've got your fake water tower, your little church structure here. You've got these kind of rock fence around here. And then look at the great mountain view there. Very quiet and serene here. Got your little fake gold mine going on over here. Fun for kids. Very rural, but really not too far from Nampa if you want to drive into town. So take a look at the map there. I think I'm going to have a slide that shows that. You've got the metal roof here, which is great. Got a little carport storage area over here. Oh, here's the actual jail there. You got the fake outhouse over here. Again, kind of fun. And you also have an additional storage area down here. Here's the back door to the property. It does have a dog/cat door on there. You have a fort for the kids, or mom, dad, whoever wants to get away for the day, go hide out. You have this additional structure down here. And I love that, a little TLC, there's lots of pavers and other additional rocks and things like that on the property. Landscaping that could be improved on and enhanced. Plenty of area to garden. Here's that additional kind of storage area down here. I want to put some animals or what have you. Pretty cool. Great space. And again, just plenty of room to park. Put whatever you want out here. And again, lots of cool landscaping, rock, stairs. I love the front porch on this one. You could do a water feature over here if you wanted to. And I'll take you inside. We just entered into the house, and you've got the vaulted ceiling in the family room. And notice that you've got room for big couches in here. Plenty of room for a coffee table. Big screen TV over here if you wanted to expand, or on this wall over here. You've got the nice vinyl plank or laminate flooring in here. As I was saying, you've got the great laminate flooring throughout the main level. Here are, main walking surfaces, and this very open floor plan. So here we have a table where you could seat 6 people easily, but you can see that this could be expanded out easily for however many guests you have. Nice light fixture, again, vaulted, very neutral colors. Lots of counter space and cabinets. You've got a pantry over here. And you could easily put an island in here, or you could even put an L-shaped cabinet coming off of there if you wanted to. This has the laminate countertops in here. Actually, it's more of a kind of a hard surface in there. And the stainless steel sink, electric oven, and got the microwave there. And this flows back into the laundry area, where you also have room for a freezer, and their furnace is back there as well. Here's the pantry if you want to take a look at that. Plenty of room. And this has the split floor plan. So we have the master bedroom over here, which we'll go into. And notice the two-tone paint throughout the house. Very neutral, bright colors. Very spacious master bedroom. I believe that's a queen size bed, but you can see that you could easily put a king in here, no problem. And you could do it off of this wall or that wall, and it would work great. Has the blinds, again, vaulted in here. You have the closet, and again, you've got the easy maintenance laminate flooring in there. And this flows into the bathroom, where you've got the nice counter here, some built-in cabinets as well. Nice big window over here, room for your laundry basket over here on this side, and a nice big shower tub combo. Finally, you have the toilet area. And notice the nice finish on the drywall. Looks good in there. So we'll go back across the home here. By the way, out of this window here, you've just got these pretty impressive mountain views as kids run by. Very impressive. And the cool thing is you've got 3 more bedrooms over here. Bedroom number 1, room for 2 twin beds and a little walk-in closet there. Bedroom number 2, same thing. Again, neutral colors and the vinyl all the way through the house here. The bathroom, shower tub combo, very cool vanity here. Try not to show me too much, but there I am. Hello, good afternoon. An upgraded toilet, and the last bedroom. Those spots on the wall are just decorator, they're paper, they come off. So if you're not into that, no big deal. And another closet. So if you have any further questions about the house, please feel free to ask me or your agent. My number is 208-340-0000. You can visit me at rockidaho.com, and happy to answer any further questions. And look on the docs tab as well. Make sure you see all the documents for the home. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.